Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. One problem we have done, income from other sources. Second problem, I want you to work out. I'll explain. After that you start working out. Your answer should be total income from other sources must be 66,950. If yes, write it in the comment box. Anyhow, let me explain this problem first. Compute income from other sources of Mr. Ranjit for the year ending 2025 to 2026. Okay. So few transactions are there. Carefully we'll read it and we'll decide where to write and what kind of exemption is given to us. First one, rent from letting a building, plant and machinery, 25,000 we got it. We gave it for rent purpose, plant, building and machinery. So we got 25,000. 25,000 is considered as a income from other sources. But related to this asset, if we have spent anything, deduction is there. Now here, related expenditure, related to this expenditure, asset expenditure, insurance 3,850 and depreciation 6,800. So this we consider it, means we give the exemption. So 25,000 minus these two amounts, we'll write it in the outer column. This will be the rent for letting the building and machinery. Okay. So first transaction, am I clear? Now second one, winning card games, 4,100. 4,100 it is very less amount. So total amount we consider, right? So 4,100 we are going to take. Next, so this is income from other sources. Profit from smuggling goods. Actually, smuggling goods is an illegal business. Illegal business. Income tax is not bothered about legal or illegal. They consider it for tax payment purpose. Taxabilities. But this is business. Business comes under the income from business, separate transaction. So it comes under the income from business. So we don't consider this. This is not income from other sources. We have discussed only 4 transactions. 4 things will be considering. Apart from these 4, everything we consider it as a income from other sources. So anyhow, this is not going to be considered. Next, interest on debentures. Any interest, income from other sources, we consider this. And interest on X limited securities, this is also income from other sources. Next, interest on tax free government bonds. So interest means benefit, benefit means this is income from other sources. Okay, everything is clear. Now next, last transaction, machinery sold for 1,55,000, down payment received 20,000 and the machinery is seized for default. Machinery sold and down payment he received it and the machinery is seized for default. So entire transaction, this is income from business. It's a business now, selling and getting the income. So this is income from business. Whenever we are receiving interest on securities, interest on debentures, this kind of transactions, lottery, so these are the transactions we consider it as income from other sources. But this is income from business, so we don't consider. Both the transactions are income from business, so that is the reason we don't consider. Rest of the problem is normal, I explained. Write it and work out. The total must be this. Now check it out, I'll work out. First one, so we don't have much transactions of interest on securities. Yes, we have 3 now, so we'll write it interest on securities. Interest on securities. We'll keep the heading because we have 3 types of interest. So 3 types of interest, we write it under this column. One is interest on debentures, interest on debentures, 14,500. I'll write it outer column only. If we want, we can write it in the inner column and then outer column. And next one is interest on X limited How much it is? 9,000. Next one, interest on tax-free government bonds. Interest on tax-free government bonds. 25,000. This will total up later. Next, we'll give the heading other incomes. So this is interest on securities, other incomes. Other incomes. What are the other incomes means? The rest of the transaction, whatever comes under the other incomes, that will consider it. Now, this is over. These three are over. Next, winning card games. This is income from other sources. 4,100 small amount will consider total amount. So winning from card games. Winning from card games. 4,100. And what else? Profit on smuggling goods. This is, we consider it as income from business. First one we forgot. So rent for letting building, plant and machinery. Total amount is here 25,000, but we give a consideration of insurance less insurance and depreciation. Insurance is 3,850 and depreciation 6,800. We'll do these calculations. Okay. Next, anything we forgot? This is over. Winning lottery over. Smuggling goods we don't consider. These three we have taken. Next, machinery sold. This is also income from business. Nothing to write. Only these are the transactions. We'll do the calculations. First, we'll see this total. 14,500 plus 9,000 plus 25,000. 48,500. Now here it is 3,850 plus 6,800. Oh, 3,850. 10,650. If we deduct it, minus 25,000. 14,350 you are getting. 14,350. We have nothing to give any deductions, standard deductions under the section 57 as we discussed in the previous class. We don't have anything. So total, if you total up, this is income from other sources. Let's total up 48,500 plus 4,100 plus 14,350. 66,950 we got it. This is income from other sources. You got a confidence with this problem? There is nothing to worry. Only few transactions you have to be very careful, like smuggling goods and last transaction machinery sold. What to do? This is income from business. We don't consider. Rest of everything is we are writing systematically, and total up, that is income from other sources. Am I clear? How many of you got this answer? Let me know. We'll work out one more problem in the next class. Stay connected and don't forget to share these videos. Good luck.